Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share the clusters that I made for a swap. I joined over at Junk Journal with Penny on Facebook, and I'll have the Facebook link down below if you want to join in. She has at least 3 swaps going on every month. You are welcome to join any of those swaps, all 3 swaps, 1 swap, it doesn't really matter, but she does encourage you to join a swap. And I have truly enjoyed her swaps. They're swaps that I've been wanting to do for some time, and it gets me my out of my box, I guess. It gets me out of my norm, I guess. So I joined the cluster swap, and we had to make 8 of them. They had to have 3 layers or more. Paper, fabric, lace, whatever you wanted. So it was creator's choice, and my style is usually vintage, so I went with a vintage theme in mind. This was my very first one that I did on a book page. I inked the edges. I don't know. There we go. I inked the edges. I added this tea dye paper from a friend. Here is lace. Oh my gosh. And I thread a button. I'm sorry, that is terrible. I don't know why it goes in and out like that. I added this sticker that says "So Fun," and that is my first cluster. My second one, I did the same thing, a book page, it's tea dye paper, some lace. This is an ephemera flower pack or a piece that I used. I don't know. I think it's Maggie Holmes. I'm not sure. This is a ally stamp. I do not have the stamp set near me, but I stamped a whole bunch of these words and I cut them out, and I just love how they added a vintage look to it. It has, what do you call those? That tape that you would normally, but this is paper, so you could stamp this as many times as you want, and you don't have to, you're not going to run out of that tape, so I like that idea. Here's a button from my stash, and I thread some wax cord through it. Okay, so there's the second one. Here's a simpler one that I just used. Same thing, same base, I guess, as the tea dye paper, a book page, but I added this white lace and a piece of fabric and a button and another sticker that says "Together Forever." And there's that one. And then I added this is a small one. It didn't have it. I don't think there was a size requirement, so I figured I'd give a good variety of sizes. So I got a book page. This is an ephemera piece that I think somebody had given me. I added the lace. I added the sticker that says "Well Done." Here is the wax cord. I bought it from Walmart, and I've been using it on several of my projects, so I wanted to use it up. Here's another button, and I threaded the cord, wax cord in there too. So I love how that turned out. And then here's another one. This is a faux stamp that I joined a couple months ago, and I added it to this cluster, and I thought it just added a great piece to it. Here's another button. This is a piece of that lace and a ticket from my stash. There's that one. Here's a smaller, skinnier one. This is a download. I wanted a bunch of dictionary meanings of different words, and I chose imagine. Here's a piece of lace and another piece of that fabric, that flower cluster, and a little button from my stash. I have tons of buttons, so I wanted to use up some of my buttons. And then here's another one. It's a little bigger one. It has a little bit of, more of the lace. You can see more of it. Same thing. I just layered a bunch of book pages, a ticket, another button, the fabric, and another word that says inspire. So I love how these turned out. They were perfect. And here's the last one. This one I did a little bit of the I don't know. It just these things just adds a little something to your projects. I don't know why. I just wrapped the cord around my fingers, like my 3 fingers, and then I twisted it, and then I glued it on, and I just love how it adds to my projects. This one says, "This meaning is beautiful." And same thing, book pages, the tea-dye paper, fabric, and the cute little button. So these are my clusters for my swap partner. I hope she likes it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.